Hi, my name's Jessie. I'm so glad you found this video because that means you want to learn about doTERRA essential oils, number one, because they're amazing and they are the best essential oils on the planet. No joke there, okay? But this video specifically, we're going to talk about how you can use doTERRA essential oils to help with your hair. Your hair. Oh, isn't that great? So stay tuned. I'm going to share some fun recipes with you. I also have in the show notes, I have a free digital download that you can go and claim. And just click on the link and you can go grab that download. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it. And I would be honored if you would subscribe to our channel. So just click on that button. And then if you find this video helpful, would you help share this video with other people? Because I am passionate about essential oils, doTERRA essential oils, of course. And I love educating people and showing people how easy they are to use and how you can incorporate them into your lifestyle. I just need your help sharing the information. So every Thursday, I post a new video to this challenge. So you can go back, you can look at previous videos. If you have any requests for videos, you're like, Jessie, I would love to learn about fill in the blank. Hey, shoot me an email. My contact information is in the show notes and I will work on that because I'm always looking for new ideas for videos and I would love your help there too. Okay, but this one, let's jump in and talk about ways to use doTERRA essential oils to help with your hair growth. Now, if you're looking at my hair, I mean, it's short. I have thin, fine hair. I always have, okay? But I really noticed the past couple of years that my hair, I've got some crazy, some crazy short hairs. And I had two babies. I want to say back to back. I mean, it felt like I had the two babies, my last two pretty much back to back. And so I had some hair loss and different things that came along with just all the hormones associated with pregnancy. I'm really convinced that that's what was the culprit for a lot of my hair stuff. So I've been taking just an extra, I've upped my hair care regime because I really want to strengthen my hair. So, I mean, it was longer. I went ahead and I chopped it and I'm just working on doing some things consistently on a daily basis, some things on a weekly basis. So I'm just going to share all of it with you. Okay. So if you want, you're welcome to take screenshots as we're going through, because like I said, I'm going to share some recipes. But again, in the show notes, there's going to be that free download for you just to click on and you can get that to your inbox. So you can check it out that way too. First of all, I'm going to share a ton of great things with you, but I have to say, if you walk away from this video with one thing to try, I'm going to encourage you for thinking specifically of your hair growth, like your skin health, your nail health. I want you to look into doTERRA's LLV. Now, that's for another video. We are going to jump into doTERRA's lifelong vitality supplements, but I have to tell you that that has been huge for my hair health, my skin health, and my nail health. My hair, since I've been on LLV, which, geez Louise, it's been many, many years that I have been on doTERRA's lifelong vitality. We call it LLV for short. And my hair has been longer than I feel like it's ever been in my entire life since using LLV. So that's huge. My one complaint, we joke about that I have to cut my fingernails so frequently. So there's a warning. You'll need to cut your fingernails because your nails are just going to grow long and strong. My skin health, I had adult acne. And look at, I mean, I've got a little scarring and I'm using oils to help work on that, but my acne is gone. And so that's another, like LLV. And there's, again, another video, but thinking also of hair growth, like LLV is huge. My dad, he is nearing 70 and he's losing some hair. I have this cool picture to show you. See right here. This is my dad. He's so handsome, but LLV and then pre-LLV. I mean, you can see the hair growth. So LLV, okay? But now, okay, I'm off that soapbox. Again, LLV video, that's coming later. Check that out. But let's talk about some other fun things that you can do for your hair to support it naturally, okay? First of all, you got to get a good shampoo and conditioner. Now, doTERRA has two options. We have a liquid pump form, okay? That's great. Conditioner, shampoo, just like you would normally use conditioner and shampoo, okay? But then we also have shampoo and conditioner bars, which honestly for me, I was very hesitant because that felt weird to use a bar in my hair. But I've been so blown away. They're really, really cool. So if you want to check those bars out too, and they're awesome. They're so good. All right. So shampoo, conditioner. What I like to do after I've showered, washed my hair, conditioned my hair, when I get out, the first thing I do is I spray in doTERRA's leave-in conditioner. And it's also a heat protectant. Okay. So if you use a hair dryer, if you use a flat iron, curling iron, it's going to protect your hair from the heat, but it also is a detangler, all right? So after I get out of the shower with wet hair, I just spray the detangler, leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and then I comb it through, and you'll be amazed at how well it works, all right? Then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I take my hair growth spray that I make. Okay, this is what it looks like, all right? And what I've found is also helpful, recipes that I'm constantly refilling a bottle, I'll just put these little stickers on there with the different oil that I'm using, and then I write on it the number of drops that I do, and then I take a piece of masking tape and I cover it. Okay, so that's what I do. But here's the recipe in a pretty form. And again, I'll have this recipe in that free download for you. In this spray bottle, I have lavender, peppermint, frankincense, tea tree, clary sage, and rosemary. All right. And then the recipe, I mean, you can see on the screen there the number of drops. If you have a bigger bottle than this, then you would just, if you have a bottle twice the size as this, then just double your recipe. I love it because it gives a little tingle to my hair while my hair is still wet. I just sprayed in that leave-in conditioner and combed it through, and then I just make sure I shake this, and then when my hair is still wet, I just go through and spray, and I go all over my scalp this way, and I just spray, 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 and then I get the back, and then after I've done that, then I just massage it in. It's gonna get a fun tingle. It's awesome. Okay, so give that hair growth spray a try. So good. But if you notice, I had clary sage in there as one of the oils. Clary sage is a classic hormone support oil, so that's why I have clary sage added in there. Because remember, I said that my hair challenges are attributed to some hormonal stuff that I went through and having children. So, and you might have experienced that as well. So try adding clary sage to your hair growth spray. Then after I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is I grab the root to tip serum. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love it. I love it. I can 100% tell times when I forget to put it in my hair and times that I don't, because and I have straight hair, so maybe if someone had curly hair, they may not notice it by the touch, but I can just tell by when I touch my hair, I'm like, oh, dang it, I forgot to put the serum in my hair. It works so well, which is making your hair feel soft and luxurious, and a little goes a long way. So with my shorter hair, it's like one pump I do. When it was longer, I would do a pump and a half, 2 pumps. And then after I've done the conditioner, and then I spray in the hair growth spray, and then I just put a pump of the serum, and I rub it in my hands, and then I just go around my hair, and it's still wet. And then there we go. That's what I do anytime I shower. That's what I do. I don't always shower every day. So there's that. Something that I try to do on a weekly basis, that's my goal, all right, is a hair mask. And so the hair mask recipe, you can see it right here. It's a great one to use. There's some overlap of essential oils there. So just look in your stash. Maybe you don't have geranium. Go ahead and make the hair mask, and then you can always add geranium in later once you get it, but start with what you have is one of my recommendations there. Or if maybe you don't have castor oil yet. Castor oil is awesome, but just use what you got and then add to it when you need to replenish it. So I like to keep my hair mask just in a candy jar. So see, there we go, hair mask. And then it's just in a liquid state. I keep it in my bathroom. And then I usually, a day when I haven't showered yet and it's earlier in the day and I know that later I'm going to be taking a shower, but I'm just going to be around the house doing stuff. That's a time when I like to do the hair mask. I don't go out in public because it makes my hair very greasy. So you just take the hair mask and I do it in the bathroom over the sink, and I pour a little bit into my hands, and then I'll just run it through my hair, and I really focus and I massage it in on my scalp too. And in the spots where I've noticed hair loss is especially like right here, super cool. So I make sure I really massage it in there, and then I'll sometimes get a headband just to keep it back. And then I try to keep it in for at least an hour. But like I said, if I'm just home doing work and stuff around the house, I'll leave it in almost all day. And then when you wash it out, I like to, first of all, warning, it'll make your shower floor slippery probably because you're rinsing all that oil out. So just be aware. I wash my hair twice on days that I do the hair mask. In my head, it's like the first washing helps get the main hair mask out, but then the second one just helps get the last little drippings, because when I didn't wash it twice, I would notice sometimes my hair might look a little bit greasy still afterwards. So there's a tip for that. The last thing that I want to tell you about for hair growth that I've been doing is gua sha. This is a special gua sha tool for your scalp. It's awesome and it's so relaxing. My goal with this is to do it 4 minutes a day. Do I do it 4 minutes a day every day? No, but that's my goal. Okay, so if you're setting goals, I'd say try to do this daily for 4 minutes, and it feels so good. I love doing it after I've done my skincare regime at night, and I go out on the couch to snuggle with my oldest son and watch a show. I'll just set my timer for 4 minutes, and I'll do this. So, and I have a code. Check the show notes. This Wildling brand is my favorite brand of gua sha stones. They're top of the line. They're awesome. I have a discount code for you. Check the show notes. I feel like I'm repeating that a lot. Check the show notes. Check the show notes. There's good stuff in there, okay? All right, so this is a special scalp one. They have a body gua sha, they have face gua sha, and I have all three, and I love them all. But with this scalp gua sha, what you do, and it feels so good, it's just super relaxing. You're going to go all over your scalp, and in this motion, going all around, and then I make it all the way to the other side. And then I'll do a little jiggle action like this, and I'll just go all around my scalp. And you're just doing some cool stuff, activating things. I don't remember all the proper terms for that, but you could go to the Wildling site and you could read a little bit more about the scalp gua sha and the scientific-y terms. But I know that it's awesome and it's great and it works wonderfully. So this is another thing that I would recommend that you check out. Those are my main tips for you about using doTERRA essential oils and some other fun, natural stuff to support your hair and help it grow healthy and strong. If you have questions, reach out. I'd be honored to help. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. If you haven't followed my channel yet, I would love it if you would follow my channel. It would be just from the bottom of my heart. I would love that. So thank you. And then make sure you check back for other videos every Thursday. A new video is posted, and reach out with questions. Have a great day. Bye.